This is cooler, but because the fan's facing there, but they're beautiful. My favorite animal in the whole entire world besides my dogs. I live in Ontario, and where I live, we have a lot of dairy. Probably sitting there irritated. You're probably right, Mom. It is cooler in here. I don't know if you could see. I'm not being gross, but how red and irritated she is. Beautiful colors. Look at the beautiful cows. How beautiful. Now these cows are used for meat consumption. These cows are totally different than the cows that you see on some of the farms that are used for dairy. I believe it says this is show cattle. It is a lot fresher in here, but it's still hot and humid. Can you imagine being here all day? This is what they do for about however many hours this is open for. I'm at the OC fair, and this is the saddest thing I've ever seen. The fans are hidden, but look at how miserable. I don't know if they're Are they pregnant? Babe, you can touch them? How come the guy was touching them? Look at how beautiful. This is what you call a dairy cow, right? Or is no? Oh, they're so hot. Oh, this is not a dairy cow. This is a different kind of cow. No, she is not. Their faces are different. She may have the spots, but they're different. It's a different breed of cow. Can you take me a picture?